Yeah, we're at East ML Avenue over I-94 in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And right there's the scissor carts, and right there's I-94. We're on the bridge, and they're repairing the bridge. And that's what we're going to look at. You got a truck over there and two scissor carts over there. We're going to look at the repairing of the bridge. And right there, so you can see traffic going underneath. So there's a car going underneath. It's from side to side. They got about, I'd say probably almost 4 feet. They got almost 4 feet. All the cement cut out, and the rebar. Look at all the rebar. They got all the rebar bent up, and then they got a clamp right there, and the rebar's all bent up, and all the cement taken out. And they got it over there too, on that side. But as you can see, the traffic down I-94, and we're repairing the East ML Avenue Bridge over I-94. There's another clamp. It's a big ass clamp. There's clamp to the I-beams, but they got that all torn out, and they're in the process of repairing it. And it goes all the way side to side. Got I-beams over there, and then they got the 2x4. Got the 2x4 surrounding it so that people can't just walk into it. And it's over I-94. And as you can see, a lot of traffic on I-94. I wouldn't want to live on a highway. But today is 6/14/2019.